Alternative approaches to comparing values. I am trying this question from CodingBat. Given three ints A, B, C, return true if one of B or C is close, differing by at most 1, while the other is far, differing from both other values by 2 or more. Note, abs num computes the absolute value of a number. I know I can solve this by a series of if-else statement, but it would really long. Are there any other approaches to this question?
This problem can be greatly simplified, without loss of generality, by sorting.
Here is an approach.